Let's see here. Got this new mountain hatch table. Okay, maybe I guess we're gonna install it today. It took quite a bit for it to arrive, but it's gonna be nice and sturdy. Should be pretty good. First off, why? Why do we want to install this? Well, once you've been camping a couple times, it's nice having this tailgate fold out for a table, but you really can't set anything smaller than 6 inches wide on here. Cups, everything just falls right off. So we're gonna try installing a little table. There's this guy, nice and flat. Nice surface. Some cutouts for stuff to sit in. Well, looking forward to it. Let's check out what tools we need. You need a T30 star bit and a 7/16. We'll go with a socket. Factory supplied hardware. There's gonna be longer bolts. And hopefully less than 15 minutes of time. I guess we'll find out. We need a clean area to work on. So I'm just clearing out some of these tools. And any other sort of debris or anything that might get in your way. Mine's pretty clean. Alright, so this is going to be what we are removing. And we'll see how that goes. To start, use your impact driver to remove all the screws holding the factory cover in place. There's a bunch, so take your time and keep them organized. The ones on top are a little bit longer than the other ones. With the screws out, lift the factory cover off carefully. You'll notice the tailgate's internal structure underneath. Next, align the mountain hatch with the screw holes on the tailgate. Make sure the cup holder indentations are oriented correctly for your use. This actually looks like it might need to go on top of the other one. That is what the note said. So this for best results, set hatch on OEM insert. OEM insert. Here. This does not line up. Alright, I guess we're doing it. I mean, I may not need to. This may work, but there's quite a bit of electronics. Motors. Let's try it without it. Okay, so for sure, this needed some washers. Using the provided hardware, start securing the mountain hatch into place. Hand tighten each screw at first, and then use your wrench to snug them down evenly. Alright, so we just gotta tighten everything up and check it out. Wait. Once all the screws are tightened, double check that the mountain hatch is sitting flush against the tailgate. And that is flat again. Alright, this is the test. It's all installed. Granted, not the best with the gaps and stuff. It's nice and smooth. Alright, let's see if it closes. This upgrade is not just for looks. It turns your tailgate into a flat, food-safe surface, perfect for cooking, prepping gear, or just having a clean workspace. Seems to work just fine. Let's see what we got here. I normally just have this plugged in right up here. That's all it needs. Any of these. Yeah, even this, you use this, I guess. Definitely costs. Versus, I mean, it's obviously we got a flat surface now. So of course it's not flipping over. That's it. Like it. And that's it. Quick and easy way to upgrade your tailgate with a mountain hatch. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more TLDR 4x4 content.